Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video I just want to show you how to install Android 16 or 17 to your Windows PC. So if you just want to do this, you have to download Android Studio from the official website of that. So after you install that, open it. Once you open the Android Studio, you will get the first page. You're going to create a new virtual device. So here you're going to get the options to create your virtual device. For example, you're going to choose medium phone and you're going to get the information about it. Once you click on next, you have additional settings. Even you can change the RAM of your phone. For example, just going to put over here 8 GB of RAM. Then I'm going to finish. Your device will be created like this. Then after that, you're going to launch the device in your PC. Here you can see my Android device is ready. On the first step, we're going to check the Android version of my Android device. What you're going to do, open the setting of your Android device you created here on Android Studio. Then you're going to open up this about phone here from the setting. You can find out from here systems, and then you're going to open software updates. And here you can see when you check system update, we got Android 17, or you can choose 16. By the way, I just installed 17, and this is the latest version of Android we got here on our phone. So for trying any application just here on Android device we created, we can just open up the Play Store to download it from the Play Store of this device. So what we're gonna do, we just open the Play Store, then we're gonna search for any application we want to install it. I'm just gonna browse from here. I'm just gonna install the TikTok. Once I got that, I'm gonna click on install, and once it has been installed, I'm just gonna open it, and here you can see TikTok is working good. So this is all about how to install Android 16 or 17 to a Windows PC. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick install videos. Bye bye my friends.